that shit one more time for the motherfuckers, boy. Go ahead, Aaron, pop that motherfucking shit.
No, no. Early in the morning traffic, drop, you can get them how you asking. How many chickens you can get them whichever way nigga trap turn taxes. I beat the pot with a passion, beat it up 100 acres on the mansion. I dab in the latest fashion, hit it up, just need to call casting.
T Moore in the cut.
Man, roll.
Your boy Richard in the cut.
Man, that shit looking nice.
Did a little bit of cruising there. This boy's got to do maintenance because he loves the E85 life.
Hey, you already know, dog. Hey,
He looked
ignition
at
timing. Little ignition timing, I got you, man.
Tuner sounds. You know that dude in the Matrix?
Yeah.
That's Trevor.
Hey.
You fucking talking about Morpheus?
Yeah.
I'm crying. No, he did call you Morpheus. He only said that because you bald. Yeah, I said bald. I'm weak. That's you, boss player. That ain't me.
That's what it is.
So what you doing first? You gonna do spark plugs? You gonna do oil changes first?
This is what? Quote? Direct?
Oil first.
I know that shit's hot. I know that oil even fucking hotter. You talking about some oil first? That shit's hot as fuck.
Brought this one back to my job. Loki hooked me up.
Feature my B man.
He brought it back. Couldn't return. We don't take oil back. So he came back.
Yo, roll purple. Holy shit, bro. Let me see this. Bro, it's 5W30. You seen this? 5W30.
For free.
Yeah.
Free ball. Yeah, I used to run that. I ran in the DE for a little
That's
bit.
what I'm getting.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, for a little bit.
Ask.
But I mainly stay with my Mobile One.
Yeah?
I fuck with Mobile One, so I ain't gonna lie. That's what's in my motor right now.
That is what? Coolant?
For the 83s, they got
Don't fuck with my B friends, bro. They be chilling. I let them live in that motherfucker rent free.
plugs. Those are the ones I run. I gotta re-gap. You gotta gap them too?
No, I don't. Not on me.
I got it in my toolbox at the house. So.
I mean, if you pull the ones you got out now, you can kind of bend it yourself.
This is a gap like 050. They got a gap down like 026.
Serious?
Yeah.
You got feel gauge on it?
Yeah, I do got a full
Yeah,
gauge. I do got a full
we'll
gauge. Trevor's bad juju right now. He keep getting pulled over street tuning, bro. It'll be my luck, man. I'll be in the car and Trevor get me pulled over.
I'm behind the wheel, so you might be different.
You got lucky twice now.
Bro, on some real shit. Yeah. And you know what he said at the end?
What?
Yeah, I got a WRX.
Oh shit! So
Yeah,
he got
so he let
certificate.
him.
Yeah.
It's a trooper though, man.
That's cause he know the life of it, low key. So he like,
Yeah, and when he looked at the laptop, he was like, "Let me just see your license registration."
yeah, he already knew. He was like, come on, man. Huh?
I'll get the front lights on.
You gotta plug up that thing to the roof. So if you lean the ladder, I can do it for you. Hold on.
Oh,
Everybody, people. Everybody, please.
What?
I think it likes it more. That motherfucker shit's like, usually before you go in there, you gotta like, now it just goes like,
We started. It was daytime, Richard. Now it's dark.
I'm slow, bro.
Yeah, it's slow as fuck.
Bro,
I
I
did-
think it likes it more
Nah,
than me.
but you did a lot though. You flushed
Yeah,
the
no,
coolant,
I did that.
transmission, oil, and you put new spark plugs in.
Yeah, baby, you gotta take care of your stuff, man.
So I mean, you did put a lot. So.
No, yeah, we stopped like what, 6? Took a couple hours. Not
Nigga,
too
it
bad.
is 9 o'clock.
Hold up. Damn. My bad. My bad. I can't read.
Oh, he said we started at 6. I'm like, nigga, it is
But no, yeah, we
over
was
9.
on the ground, but it's a little warm. But it don't matter. We had to gap the plugs,
Yeah.
flush the coolant for a smooth minute, and then we did gear oil, which is a little hard to get. It's a tight little squeeze, and then
Nah.
oil was easy. We knocked that
3
off.
hours wasn't bad for
Nah, it
for the
was
work
kinda-
you did. 3 hours
yeah,
wasn't
in
bad.
between anyway. We were looking at everybody's cars.
Well, I got some exclusive shit coming tomorrow, but I can't even say, bro. So by the time y'all see this video, hopefully if I start getting into the habit of doing videos again, y'all see it by next week. Let me not show you my garage. It's pretty messy. I don't want y'all to judge me. I know I gotta clean up. Damn it! I just got my shit right. But nah, yeah, I got some heat, man, dropping. It'll be in tomorrow. I'll see it, but y'all won't see it. But it's gonna be some heat, man.
More of it coming in the future too.
Oh, for sure. A
I
lot.
love this stuff. I can't even say what it is. I need some of it too, though.
I'm ready for the next mod on the Focus.
I'm looking for it too, bro. You got
Yeah, you procrastinating.
Schooly boy.
Yeah, you procrastinating.
It's straight how it is. We'll have our boy Trevor look at it, see what he can do.
No, I don't want to go be a turbo yet. Head ass.
Turbo's 2 bands just for a turbo.
Yeah,
It's not
man.
good, you gotta pay twice.
We pieced together a kit, but I ain't gonna say it's the best kit, but it works.
Could be the rotated setup.
Cheaper.
That would be hard.
Well, no, that's not cheaper. You said that was like what, 1,800?
Rotated setup, the one that's like full plug and play is like 4,000.
Oh hell no, that's double the amount we pay for just the big turbo set on.
Big turbo.
Basura, that's trash.
Nah, that big turbo setup is blocking really. It don't need that.
No.
It'll look pretty. That's about it.
It'll blow the fuck up. That's what
Yeah,
happened.
we don't need that. That big of a turbo ain't worth it, bro. It'll take forever like a damn diesel truck to spool it up.
True, true, true.
Damn wrong by the time that would happen.
It'd be nice though, a little freight train.
Yeah, it's like a damn diesel for sure.
Yeah.